In this video, I'll show you how to display the command prompt on your cursor in AutoCAD for a faster and more convenient workflow. By enabling dynamic input, you can enter commands directly near your cursor without constantly looking at the command line at the bottom of the screen. To get started, type Dyn mode in the command line and press enter. Then type 3 and press enter to enable dynamic input. Next, press the F12 key on your keyboard to make sure dynamic input is turned on. If the command prompt still doesn't appear next to your cursor, type Dyn prompt in the command line. Press enter, then type 1 and press enter. This enables the prompt display near your cursor so you can enter commands more efficiently while drawing. You can always change these settings later if you prefer the traditional command line view. This simple adjustment can help improve your productivity and make working in AutoCAD much smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.